Morning, sir.
Morning, engineer.
Morning.
Morning, HR.
Morning, sir.
So before we start, is everybody present? Okay, please take that a note. So thank you everyone for making time for this meeting. The purpose for today's discussion is to review and improve our yearly performance and evaluation process, especially for our aircraft maintenance and engineering roles. So let's start with you, HR.
So, thank you, Peter. This year, management wants the performance reviews to be more role-specific. We want evaluations that truly reflect technical responsibilities, safety requirements, and professional growth, not just attendance or basic outputs.
So okay, thank you, Mr. Singkay. So Engineer Pawelas, how can you share the maintenance department perspective?
So, certainly our maintenance personnel work in high-pressure environments. Performance review should focus on technical accuracy, compliance with maintenance manuals, and time management and safety discipline.
So I agree, some tasks are complex and time critical. It would help if we review and recognize problem-solving skills and proper troubleshooting, not just speed.
So, I'd also like to add teamwork. Maintenance tasks require coordination. Evaluating collaboration will encourage better communication among crew members.
So good point, Mr. Singkay. Engineer Pawelas, how about the engineering?
So, for engineering staff, evaluation should include analytical skills, regulatory compliance, and decision making. Engineering errors can have serious consequences, so accuracy is essential.
So I suggest adding professional development goals. Engineering should be evaluate not only current performance but also effort to improve skills through training or certifications.
Thank you. So, Mr. Pawelas, your input on safety?
So, safety should be a major component of all evaluations. This includes following safety procedures, reporting hazards, and actively supporting safety first culture. Performance reviews should reinforce that safety is everyone's responsibility.
So, based on everyone's output, HR will revise the evaluation forms. Will include role-specific criteria, safety compliance, teamwork, and development plans for both maintenance and engineering staff.
So excellent. All department heads and team leaders will be involved in implementing to ensure fairness and consistency. So if there are no further comments, we will move forward with these improvements. So thank you for all valuable insights. This will make our yearly performance reviews more meaningful and effective. So thank you. Thank you, engineer. HR, thank you.
Thank you.
The meeting is ended. Mana?